welcome to the Gallant Cooking Show. Today I'm going to be doing puff puff, and if you are not a member of the Gallant family, please go to our channel, subscribe and give us a thumb up. These are the ingredients I use in making my puff puff. 1 cup of water, half nutmeg, half teaspoon of salt, 4 cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1.5 cup of milk, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 liter of corn oil for deep frying. So let's get this started. Add your milk to the pot and allow it to heat up. So I'm going to get warm water, and the reason why I'm warming this milk is one of my Gallant tips. If you want to make a good puff puff, the milk has to be warm. Not terribly hot, but not so lukewarm. If it's lukewarm, it needs an hour or 2 to rise up for you to fry your puff puff. But this is my tip. I can fry right away and still have very nice puff puff. Add water to the pot, add sugar and then stir. The Gallant tip I want to give to you is adding nutmeg to your puff puff. It gives it that smell when you are eating it. You know, you can't stop eating. I'm getting ready to mix the puff puff because the milk and water, sugar and nutmeg is already hot. So, and I'm gonna add salt to it. A pinch of salt. I don't like too much salt, so that's enough. And we're gonna add the baking powder. This baking powder, what does it do? You don't add it at the end, you add it at the beginning. That's another Gallant tip. If you add it at the end, you have to wait 2-3 hours for your puff puff to be risen up for frying. So but if you do this, you're gonna see that your puff puff is already rised up. After adding the baking powder to the milk, add the flour to the mix and continue to mix. Stir. Add flour to the mixture until you get the consistency that is thick enough for you to hold while frying. I'm gonna put the oil on the fire right now, and I put it to the maximum because the oil really has to get hot, okay? So I'm gonna start the oil, put it on fire to heat up, and the oil that I'm using today is canola oil, but you can use vegetable oil, but not olive oil, okay? That's the tip too. The oil is now hot, so let's begin to fry our puff puff. Roundness of the puff puff, what you need to do is when you have your flour, you push it a little bit forward or backward, however you are comfortable. You start to roll it like this, so that will give the roundness, and just boom, that's it. another tip that I want to leave you guys with. You see, if you notice the puff puff is all filling, if it's not filling, guess what? It's going to be going round and round and round. You have one side cooked and the other side is not cooked. So the secret is you have to make sure the pot is filled up and so they hold each other in the frying pan, okay? Ensure to turn your puff puff many times to allow your puff puff to cook evenly. Once the puff puff is brown enough to your desired color, use 2 strainer spoons to remove the puff puff. This is to ensure you have less oil with the puff puff. Your puff puff is now ready. Golden brown, just like I like it. You can see now your puff puff is ready. I'm gonna taste it. Delicious. Hey guys, thank you for watching, and like, subscribe if you like this video, so be part of our family. Bye. Hopefully you enjoy it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.